there, in this video I will show you Android phone or Samsung phone not allowing me to make calls or not able to make or receive calls on Android, and also your Android phone not allowing you to make calls but you can text. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open the quick setting panel. Make sure your phone is not in airplane mode. If it is in airplane mode, then switch it off. Tap and hold on your call application, then tap here. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap OK or delete. Move back and tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the permissions. Move back and tap on notifications. Make sure it's allowed. If not, then turn on the allow notifications. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. Now check it out, your problem remains or has been gone. If this method not working on your device, then go ahead with the next method. Open settings. Search for reset. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap reset mobile network settings. Select your SIM card. Tap on reset. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 3. Open settings. Tap on connections. Tap on mobile networks. Select your SIM card and disable 5G from here. Sometimes due to poor connectivity of 5G network, this issue happens. So turn off the 5G network and try to see if the problem is resolved. If not, then go to the next method. Method number 4. Try removing the SIM card, cleaning it properly, then reinserting it. If your SIM card is damaged or outdated, it may only allow texting but not calls. You can contact your carrier to get a new one. Before doing that, clean it properly your SIM card and insert it again. After that, check it out, your problem remains or has been gone. Still not working, then go ahead with the next method. Open settings once again. Search for reset. Tap on factory data reset. Tap reset. Unlock your phone, then tap on reset. Remember, before tapping here, make sure you have backup your all necessary data. Once your backup is completed, tap on delete all. After applying all the methods, if your problem still remains, then you need to call your cellular network company's helpline number and tell them about your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.